Ready to supercharge your WordPress website with the power of Google Reviews? First, log into your WordPress dashboard. We're going to add a plugin to make this easy. Navigate to Plugins, then click on Add New in the search bar. Type Google Reviews and hit Enter. Look for a highly rated Google Reviews plugin for this tutorial. We are using Widget for Google Reviews by TrustIndex, but several good alternatives exist. Click Install Now next to your chosen plugin. Once installed, click Activate. This will enable the plugin on your website. You should now see the plugin in your WordPress menu. Click on it to access the settings. Follow the plugin's instructions to connect to your Google business profile. Usually, this involves either searching for your business name or entering your place ID. Now customize how you want your reviews to appear. You can often choose different layouts, themes, and the number of reviews to display. Play around with these options until you find what looks best for your site. To embed the reviews, go to the page or post where you want them to appear. The plugin likely provides a shortcode or a widget block. Copy the shortcode or insert the widget. Update or publish your page, and there you have it. Your Google reviews are now beautifully displayed on your WordPress website, building trust and boosting your online reputation.